Alright, so I just want to teach today we did the long A in this series, the long A7, but I thought it'd be cool if we learned kind of the variations that you can also take those similar shapes and do it with the D and the E, so that you can play it with a whole 12-bar blues, okay? So, I'm not going to go over the A7, I've got that on my channel if you want to find that. We did a video on that. But I am going to go ahead and show you where we can go for the D and the E. So the 4 and the 5 chord in an A blues, okay? So what we're going to do is you've got this kind of shape going. And I'm going to show you the notes you can play. The first thing you want to do is you want to bar everything from the D down to the high E on the 7th fret with your pointer finger. Alright, and then what you can do is you can pluck. The last thing you do is add your middle finger there to that 8th fret of the high E. Okay? And here's some of the notes you can play underneath that, okay? So you can play this with your 8th, with your middle finger. You can also reach your pinky out to the 10th fret of the high E. You can play that. Then, the other thing that you can do is you can play it open, where it's just barred at that 7th, and you've also got this 10th fret of the B string available to you as well. So if I play so you can kind of play around with those and see where that fits for you. Then when you get to the E7 chord, you can do the same thing. You just move everything down, or rather up, 2 frets. So what that would be is you're going to bar from the D to the high E on the 9th fret. Then the other notes that you have available to you are using your middle finger. You can grab that 10th fret of the high E. Using your pinky, you can extend down to the 12th fret of the high E. And then you can also do it open, or rather just all with the 9th fret. And then you can grab the 12th fret of the B string. So one thing I like to do to kind of play around with this is just a little thing that I've kind of come up with to help me. It sounds a little like this, but you can play those notes, the same kind of note formations with the A, the D, and the E. So it sounds like. Alright, so I hope that helps. Let me know in the comments below.